How to add Instagram link to a YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application in order to copy your Instagram links. So you can just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and here you can see the option of share profile. So select on share profile and you can tap on the copy link option. So as you do that, you copy the link and then go back and launch the web browser. So you can just launch any browser that you have. I'm going for Chrome browser, and what you simply need to do is tap on the search bar and search for youtube.com. So let's search for youtube.com over here. You are logged into your account, and after logging into your account, simply tap on the three dotted lines and tap on desktop side. So as you tap on desktop side, what you simply need to do is you can see the options of your profile at the top right corner of the screen. So you just have to wait for a while and then tap on it. Here you'll be able to see the option of YouTube Studio. So select on YouTube Studio, and as you select on YouTube Studio, it will take us to a new page where you can view our channel dashboard. So what you simply need to do is you can just tap on the option of there are different options over here at the left side of the screen. So you can just tap on it and you can just let's see if we have any options. So what we can do over here is you can just tap on different options that pops up. So these are different options. So let's select on the customization option. As you tap on customization, you can just scroll down and here you can see the option of links. So simply tap on add link and here enter the title. So since we're going to have Instagram link, so we're typing the title as Instagram and then pasting the link over here. And as you do that, what you simply need to do is go up and you can see the option of publish. So select on the option of publish. So this way you can add an Instagram link to your YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.